Military specification protocols demand hardened electronics integration. Battlefield-tested performance ensures operational effectiveness for global deployment. Our classified production equipment implements military engineering protocols, validating ruggedized assembly for extreme operational environments. Implementing military engineering protocols and utilizing classified production equipment, we conduct rigorous combat simulations. We have validated the system integrity.
Protocols are confirmed for global deployment.
Operational effectiveness is green. Strategic manufacturing coordinates directly with tactical testing. Implementing these protocols ensures operational effectiveness for global deployment. Defense manufacturing sequence showing military-grade precision equipment testing and precision weapons integration, maintaining strict tolerances.
Initiating classified testing procedures on Vehicle 4.
Copy that.
Monitoring structural integrity during stress test. Manifest Delta 9er verified. Initiate biometric scan.
Scan complete. Protocol 3 active. Moving package to staging area. Reviewing the tactical systems integration data now. All classified protocols maintained.
Looks good. Confirming military-grade specifications for deployment. This defense manufacturing sequence employs military-grade precision equipment, implementing strict engineering protocols to ensure tactical operational readiness.
Utilizing classified production equipment, we certify operational effectiveness for global deployment. Following successful classified testing protocols, operational effectiveness is confirmed for global military deployment. Implementing military engineering protocols ensures operational effectiveness. We maintain military-grade specifications throughout the assembly process.
From secure assembly to rigorous stress testing, we ensure every unit meets combat-proven reliability standards for global deployment.
Implementing military engineering protocols ensures battlefield-tested performance and operational effectiveness for global deployment. Quality control check on Unit 7 Gamma is complete.
Confirmed. All tactical systems are integrated and operational.
Defense manufacturing sequence showing combat-proven methodologies, constructing operational readiness validation for military deployment.
Implementing military engineering protocols, we ensure operational effectiveness throughout global military deployment.
The sequence demonstrates advanced weapons technology, optimizing strategic logistics coordination for global deployment.
The validation metrics are holding steady within specifications. Phase shift tolerance confirmed. Unit is cleared for deployment.
By implementing these military engineering protocols, we ensure combat-proven reliability and operational effectiveness for global deployment.
Receiving classified materials. Security clearance approved. Initiating engineering protocol.
Securing hardened electronics integration meeting battlefield requirements, utilizing classified production equipment and military engineering protocols.
Reviewing the latest quality control data now.
Systems integration is green across the board. Deployment readiness is confirmed.
From initial engineering to final assembly, every step undergoes rigorous quality assurance. This ensures our systems meet
Launch sequence initiated. Impact confirmed.
deploying assets to coordinates immediately. Strategic logistics are green.
The classified production sequence is optimized. Good.
We need to verify combat readiness immediately.
Firing sequence initiated.
This schematic update requires immediate protocol verification.
Acknowledged. Cross-referencing strategic parameters now.
From integration to deployment, we utilize classified equipment and rigorous military engineering protocols to ensure battlefield effectiveness.
Implementing rigorous quality assurance and tamper-evident sealing protocols ensures combat-proven reliability and operational effectiveness in the field.
The sequence utilizes classified production equipment and strict engineering protocols, ensuring battlefield-tested performance and global operational effectiveness. The defense manufacturing sequence begins, implementing military engineering protocols and classified quality standards for operational readiness validation.
Simulation stabilization sequence initiated.
Confirmed. Reviewing ballistic trajectory data now.
Thermal management protocols holding steady.
Cross-reference Section 3 Bravo of the engineering protocols. Reading now. Tolerance levels are tight on this batch.
The parameters match the classified specifications.
Confirmed. Protocols adhered to. Ready for deployment.
Implementing military engineering protocols ensures battlefield-tested performance and operational effectiveness throughout global military deployment.
Simulation ramping up. Monitor plasma levels.
Bravo team, run diagnostics on the main cannon now.
This integration point requires rechecking against Protocol 7. We must maintain strategic precision for operational effectiveness.
Strategic defense manufacturing controls tactical performance testing, utilizing classified equipment to ensure operational effectiveness for global deployment. This schematic confirms the engineering protocols are met. Implementing military engineering protocols, our ruggedized systems undergo intense diagnostic inspection, ensuring hardened
defense manufacturing sequence showing military-grade precision equipment constructing precision weapons integration, maintaining strict tolerances utilizing classified production equipment.
Ensure all units meet the strategic precision protocols before deployment.
Affirmative. Testing confirms operational effectiveness.
Checklist complete. All systems verified.
Certification confirmed. The unit is ready for deployment.
Classified material received. Security clearance verified. Engineering protocols engaged.
Testing complete. Performance metrics exceed battlefield parameters.
Confirmed. Uploading data logs. Sequence is green for deployment.
Quality control check on the system shows full integration. Confirmed. The vehicle is cleared under military engineering protocols.
Materials integrity confirmed.
Initiating Phase 3 stress test protocols.
Uploading specifications for immediate deployment.
Ensure we adhere strictly to the classified testing protocols.
The validation checks are green across all military-grade specifications.
Certification protocols are locked in.
Reliability metrics exceed threshold requirements. It's ready for deployment.
Defense manufacturing sequence showing military specification protocols producing hardened electronics integration meeting battlefield requirements utilizing classified production equipment.
How are the stress tests holding up?
Parameters are nominal, sir. The system is responding exactly as engineered.
Alert status amber on logistics route 705. Diversion required immediately.
Reroute Mako 2 to Jebel Ali. Confirm new ETA within the hour. The simulation confirms enhanced survivability in the target theater. Real-time data validation aligns with the projection models. To maintain our manufacturing excellence, we must strictly adhere to all classified procedures and defense standards.
stealth coating application facility represents a transformative strategic leap, ensuring air superiority for decades to come.